it's, you have to think in analogies with these things, because kind of like biological brains, these software brains are just too difficult to understand in a way that makes sense for humans. But I always think of things in terms of like context space, or concept space. Imagine there's a space where different colors are grouped together closely, and other concepts are really far apart. And that's really how the model understands how concepts are related. It basically maps them onto this really super high dimensional space, which you can't really kind of visualize it, because it's something like 1,000 dimensional space, which doesn't. If you can visualize that, that's pretty impressive. But that's really how these models understand the world, which is, there may be 1,000 different properties that make things similar or different from each other, and they kind of keep it all together all at once. So when you ask it about something, it kind of figures out where in space
It
those
literally
concepts.
holds the whole thought and just like pulls out where the information is.
Yeah, and to your point where you were saying that there's a place for the software engineer AI, and a place for the physics AI. They're really kind of malleable. And I don't know if you've ever heard of the concept of prompt engineering, but a lot of
Hmm.
what that is you're just,
Recently.
yeah, you're just telling the model who to be, right? Because it can be anyone. It can be a child or an
The more
adult, or
specific you are, the better it's going to be able to.
yeah. Yeah, you say, I want you to be the expert MSP engineer working on service tickets, and that's your persona for the purposes of answering these questions for us.